Ah, look at that, people. Look at that, the finished product. Star apple crumble. Fully active, my father. Cook and vibe. Fully active, my father. Hear that? Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. Press that like button and get the video moved. If you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing. Today, people, another twist. Today, we're making star apple crumble. This is what you're going to need for your star apple crumble. Now, you're going to need a star apple. Not easy to get hold of, I'm telling you. Obviously, I get them from Jamaica, you know what I'm saying? But very difficult to get hold of. Very cool fruit. Yeah, I'm sure you'll be able to get them online or wherever anyway. But star apple. Yeah, man, star apple. Couple other apples that just going to use just to build up the consistency of the apple, because I've only got one star apple. So a couple normal apples there. These are the local apples. Remember, I see them in the place the other day. Told you I was going to make use of these, didn't I? That is it, some local apples. Fully active. Yeah. Yeah. This is the local thing, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna add these in with the star apple. That is it. After that, you're gonna need some cinnamon. I'm using this cinnamon dust, cinnadust. Pinch of salt. You're gonna need flour. You're gonna need butter. And you're gonna need brown sugar. That is the ingredients you're gonna need for the star apple crumble. Yes, people, so first of all, I have put the pinch of salt, 300 grams of plain flour. 300 grams of plain flour. I've put a pinch of salt in there, and I've put 175 grams of brown sugar. I'm gonna give this a little mix round now. And then I'm gonna add in the butter in. Cube by cube. If you see, I've chopped them up into cubes. I'm going to add it in cube by cube and just keep doing it. And just keep doing it until we've got a crumble. You know what I'm saying? That is it, people. So now we've given the sugar and the, what's it called, a mix round. We're just going to add all the butter, the 200 grams butter in there. As you can see, people, I've put most of the butter in now and just making it into like breadcrumbs. You know what I'm saying? That's a good way to do it still. Yeah, so this is the last bit of butter. I've got to mix in. Fully active. My father. Yeah, let me dig up that from the bottom there. Yeah. Yes, people, until you've got something that is kind of looking like this. As you can see, people, I am pretty much nearly there. Once it's all looking like that, we're good. So go, and that is the crumble part of the apple crumble. As you can see, it's all mixed together nicely now. Good vibes. Cook and vibe. You know the thing. Press that like button if you haven't already and get the video moving. That is it. Now, it's the star of the show, people. As you can see, when you open up and cut the star apple, look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. It's an actual star. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, star fruit, people. Star apple even. Yeah, they call it star apple. So we're going to use the inside of this, and we're going to chop up some of the other apples as well. But yeah, this is the star of the show. Look at that. So I'm just cutting this up, people, because I want to use this as like a kind of decoration on top. So I'm just gonna take out the pips of this and squeeze that into a bowl. You know what I'm saying? You can see, oh, cook on vibe, just cleaning it out and getting as much, oh, we want that bit in there, getting as much of it as we can out, you know what I'm saying? That is it. Star apple crumble, people. So I'm just gonna scoop out the rest of this and I'm gonna chop up some normal apples. Next, people, just gonna chop up peel these local apples. Nice and cheap these was, you know what I'm saying? And then just gonna chop them up, like you see it in there. Don't have to worry too much about, just take it off like so. You just want it roughly chopped anyway. That is it. And then just, you know what I'm saying? Chop them up. Now I've added about 300 grams of apple, normal apple, and we're gonna mix it with that. 50 grams of sugar, brown sugar, gone in. Now we're just gonna mix this around with the star apple as well and get that all blended together. Cook and vibe. You know the thing, at this point I'm gonna add a little teaspoon of plain flour in there and we're gonna sprinkle in the city dust. You know what I'm saying? Fully out in my father. So this city dust I've just put in, and the flour, oh my God, you should smell it now, people. It's smelling so good. So I just want to make sure I get the star apple mixed all around a bit, you know what I'm saying? I think, wake up this picture. Yeah. Yes, people, we're just getting all this inside here now. That can go in. Good vibes. Cook and boat. Oh, it smells so good, man. I love apple crumble. And it's a little twist today. So yeah. That is it. Good vibes. Flatten that down. Fully active. We're just covering it up now with the crumble. You know what I'm saying? I like a good bit of crumble on my apple crumble, so I'm not going to be shy, but we're definitely not going to use all this. Yeah, you probably half the recipe that I gave you anyway. But yeah, just filling this up now, people. I'm just coating it now with a little topping of brown sugar. See what I'm saying? Get that mixed in a bit more. Good vibes. Jeez. Mad in the people. You see the star apple in there? Keep saying star fruit, star apple. Yeah. And then the nice crumble. Look at that crumble. It's looking sexy. 40 to 45 minutes in the oven, people. Yeah. She's looking real good right now. Look at that. Yes, people, like I say, 40 to 45 minutes till the crumble starts going golden and you see that the apple start bubbling. Bubbles, honey, good. Mad taking up, people. I hope everybody's all right. I've got a little song out in Australia at the moment, MUNZER featuring M.R. Go check that out.
Go down like you're tying up your shoes. Get for bubble, you for bubble, panic wood. And I don't know what time it is, I've been lost in my own world. Yeah, I like the girl, but there's just so much going on. Didn't have the time to tell her that. Fuck it up and fling it up, we love the way you move. You can go down like
Stream that, all that good stuff. Hope everyone's alright, man. If you ain't subscribed already, do the right thing. Start apple crumble. I love an apple crumble, me. One of my favorite desserts. Alright, people. Oh my god, this smells so good. The apple is bubbling. That's all nice in there. You know what I'm saying? There we go, people. We're just gonna put the little star apple piece on top now, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, that is it. Look at that, the finished product. Star apple crumble. You see under there, all cooked all nicely. And yeah, good vibes, man. Jeez. Taste time. Oh, people, look at that, look. I just took a piece off there. It's got all the star apple in there and everything. Oh, that looks so sexy. Woohoo! This looks really good. All right. Good vibes. Let's taste this. Yeah. Cheers. That is so good. Wow. That extra cinnamon dust is amazing, right? Oh, if I've got any custard. Everything goes really, really well. 10 out of 10. I'm going to try and find some custard, people. Because, yeah, you got to have a bit of custard with your apple pie. You know what I'm saying? Big up yourself. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. And I'll see you again very soon. Big up, fully active.